Hey guys, it's Corey from John Bear. So wondering if you need to get a multi-point inspection? Well, let's go talk to Jim at St. Catharines and he'll give you the rundown on exactly what happens during one of those inspections. Let's head over to St. Catharines.
My name is Jim Doran. I've been a service technician at John Bear Buick GMC for over 21 years. A multi-point vehicle inspection is a report card for your car or truck. What we do is we basically go through from bumper to bumper and we try to isolate if there's an issue. If there's a broken coil spring to an oil leak, let you know how much brakes are left on your car, to checking filters. The benefits of a multi-point vehicle inspection allow us to look at your vehicle from bumper to bumper to pinpoint any defects that may be located within your vehicle during our inspection. This allows us to correct those issues before it causes any further damage or bigger repair bills where you're stuck on the side of the road with your family. Multi-point vehicle inspection recommended by General Motors is in your owner's manual for every 10,000 kilometers or 6 months.
So that's it for this week's tip. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And if you need any more information, check us out at johnbear.com. I'm Corey Breton, and we'll see you on the next one.